can horses do their own dentistry? Why or why not?
You know, in my book, I look at, it depends on where we are in the world, because in America, I think how we've led to some breeding and tiny nose and wide jaw and face structure and things, we've kind of altered a lot and created that outer ledge that may not have been in the natural horses. Now, when you go, I was just up in Iceland and was speaking with someone about their Icelandic ponies, and they are a much more natural and have a more boxy square face. And they, you know, I was speaking with someone about them, and they said they don't have to have as much troubles as what I was talking about in the States. So sometimes I tend to think that may a little bit depend on where we are in the world and what the horse line is we're speaking of.
Maureen, would you like to comment on that one as well?
So my question is, where does it get lost that domestic horses are unable to versus a wild horse? And a lot of people like to go to, oh, it's a feed, it's how a wild horse eats versus this. The biggest difference is we start to train our horses. The wild horse has the same parts as the domestic horse. There's nothing different. There's no nuance difference. So then I believe firmly, from all these years of working with horses and treating them, from the horses that can't eat anymore due to dentistry practices, and it's not saying dentistry is evil or dentistry is horrible, but it is doing in certain hands certain things that are affecting how our horses are masticating or not. So we as professionals owe it to the horse to do the best by them and understand what is their mechanics of chewing, because everything we see in dentistry wearing patterns is a result of compensation. So for the horse to live its best life, which we owe them, we as professionals need to expand our thinking beyond just teeth and go, so what do we see here and why can't they do what they're designed to do from nature?